Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down what you actually want to argue and why it matters. Once done, write a one-sentence thesis and collect 3-5 sources that genuinely support different angles. Then set a 30-45-minute free-writing sprint to capture your voice without editing. This produces raw phrasing you can reuse. Make sure to note page numbers and key quotes for later. These early choices force original structure and reduce reliance on canned phrasing, so start now and avoid generic openings. Next, build an outline that orders ideas logically, cause, effect, example, and assign a single main claim per paragraph. Paraphrase source material instead of copying, keeping direct quotes to about 1/3 of citations so your voice dominates. Once paragraphs are drafted, weave in 2 genuine insights or unique analogies drawn from your notes or experience to anchor originality. Make sure transitions explain how each point advances the thesis. This deliberate structure yields writing that reads like a human argument rather than a generic model. Finally, refine your draft by reading it aloud and editing for natural rhythm and clarity. Short commands and varied sentence length make tone human. Make sure citations are accurate and format consistently, and replace any jargon with clear phrasing. If something still feels generic, get a peer to read for voice and note awkward sections. Troubleshooting tip: if a paragraph sounds mechanical, strip it back to your original freewrite. Then rebuild that paragraph sentence by sentence to recover authentic phrasing and logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.